Oke, nomor 2 watch out. Alright. Nomor 3. Ayo, siapa bisa? Nomor 3. Nomor 3. She will blah blah blah. Give in? She will give in because she does not have any arguments to convince the examiners anymore. Give in. Pelan-pelan dong dibahas. Dulu speak up. Nomor 3 give in. Semuanya give in atau speak up? Ru, ru, baru. Speak up, give in. Ini yang mana yang betul nih? She will speak up or she will give in because she does not have any arguments to convince the examiners anymore. Give in. Arti give in apa sebenarnya? Oke, mengalah, menyerah. Ya, menyerah. Oke, kita pakai give in di sini ya. Nomor 3 give in. Right. Number 4. I blah 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 her idea and retell it with my own word. I coach on, point out, coach on. Coach on. Coach on. Catch on. Hmm. Hmm. I catch on her idea and retell it with my own words. Yeah, right. Okay. Number 5. Their parents blah 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 their salary to pay their children's school fees. Put away. Their parents put away salary. Ada yang lain? Give in. Put away. Give in udah tadi Mbak Wawu. Give in kita pakai untuk nomor 2. Ya, put away. Right. Okay, number 6. You must. What is that? You must. Blah blah blah. The lipstick on your lips before your wife comes. Oh, rub out. Whoa. Really? Really rub out? Hmm? Kok rub out? Hmm. Ya, sebenarnya sih bisa aja rub out, tapi aneh ya. It sounds weird for me. I prefer to ya rub sebenarnya mengoleskan ya artinya ya. Dia lebih cocok rub aja, kalau misalnya rub aja, tapi atau bisa pakai put. You must put the lipstick on, atau you must rub the lipstick on. Ada arti lain, rub itu seperti mengolesi ya. Dia seperti mengolesi rub itu, atau memijat-mijat, atau ya karena mungkin karena lipstick dia dioleh-oles gitu, bisa dipakai kata kerja ini. Tapi saya lebih, ya that's why I said di sini kan ada on di depannya itu. You must na the lipstick on. Ada prepositionsnya, ya kan? Di sini memang kawannya rub out. Tapi kalau misalnya kita pakai rub out di sini, oh right, astagfirullah. Right, you are right. Rub out, yes. You must ini yang pakai lipsticknya siapa coba? Iya ya, maaf, saya nggak saya nggak sadar, saya nggak baca ke depannya. Your wife, saya nggak lihat. Sorry. Ya, correct 100% untuk kalian semua. Yeay. Okay, number 7. Please, blah blah blah. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Silence is not golden in my class. Please, yes, 100. Speak up. Correct. Number 8. These children, blah blah blah. The suspect, confidently point out. Right. Yes, 100. And then 9. My wife and I will blah 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 our children in Australia. Bring up, yes, 100. Bring up our children in Australia. Number 10. The pain will blah 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 gradually after you take this drug. Hmm. Wear off. What is that wear off means? Okay, yes, right. The last one is wear off. Okay, let's go to next page. Second one, still about grammar matter. Okay, we will learn about common verbs. Kebanyakan kita mungkin agak sedikit bingung karena dalam bahasa Indonesia kita tidak memiliki hal-hal seperti ini. Misalnya saya mau makan, kita bilang saya mau makan siang. Bilang aja saya mau makan siang gitu. Kita nggak bilang saya akan memiliki makan siang, kan lucu gitu. Ya, oke, itu beberapa kata di modul itu diajarin seperti have, give, make, kemudian take sama do. Oke, kita lihat have dulu yang pertama. Contoh, contoh have. Itu halaman 312 ya. Halaman 312. No. Halaman 313. Common verbs. Page 313. Okay. Page 313. Pertama di situ ada have. Have biasanya digunakan untuk meals, kemudian about talking, about washing, about relaxations, disagreements ya. Saya ambil contoh satu aja di sini. I have lunch, contoh gitu. I'm going to have lunch ya. I'm going to have lunch. Kemudian dengan contoh yang lain, I'm going to have breakfast, I'm going to have dinner, I want to have a drink, I want to have a milk. She need to have milk. Meal, sorry, not milk. Meal. Uh, the princess wants to have a cup of tea. Yay, Milana. Mbak Milana Zhao. Welcome. Okay, next. Kemudian talking. Yay, oh yay. Mbak Milana have a chat with her boyfriend, for example. Okay, Mbak Milana has a conversation with Bu Eti, for example. Mbak Milana has hot discussion with Mbak Ergi, for example. Mbak Milana has a talk with a president, for example. Yeah. Okay, for another example, like washing. My little brother have a bath. Okay. Have a shower, have a wash. And then relaxations, for example, this Ramadan we will have a break. Around 1 hour later we will have a break. Yeah. We will have holiday in this December. Semuanya itu pakai have. Ya, semuanya itu pakai have. Have nih, have itu. Ya. Kemudian itu kita jarang kita pakai dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kita pasti bilangnya ya, saya mau punya ini, saya mau makan, saya pasti nggak memiliki have ya. Kita nggak bilang saya mau mempunyai mandi, saya mempunyai liburan, saya mempunyai ya kita tidak bisa artiin have di situ seperti itu ya. Jadi dia hanya sebagai kata bantu, verb bantu ya, common verbs ya. Oke, number two, give digunakan ya, kata benda yang ini ada seperti human noise, seperti cry, gasp, giggle, groan, laugh, scream, shout. For example, give a shout, give a sigh, give a whistle. She gives a yell, yeah, yell. Yeah, she gives a smile. And then, for example, my brother gives a kick, give a punch on me. Um, uh, Her boyfriend give a slap on her face, for example. Yeah. My mother always give advice for me, give example for me, uh, give information. Yeah, it's a lot here. Give a lecture, for example, like me, I give a lecture right now. Okay, I'm giving a lecture right now. I give news, I give a report. Yeah, right. I think it's okay, fine. Number three, make digunakan dengan kata benda yang mengacu pada seperti contoh talking, sounds, comment, inquiry, noise, point, promise. I want to make a promise. Yes, right. I give my employer a piece of a month, 1 month notice letter, 1 month notice, 1 month, 1 month notice letter. Okay. Di sini make For example, I ask you to make a comment. Hmm,